Good morning, afternoon, evening. My name is Alexis Carr, and I will be taking a deep dive today with Powtoon. As you can see, I am already logged in, so I'm going to show you all the pricing first, letting you all know what the prices are in a monthly and annual interval. So you see the differences between the two. And then you see some of the basic options. So here I'm going to just click on Happy 4th of July since this is a holiday that just passed. It's loading for us. Kind of click out of that. So you see you get to edit with Powtoon the different tabs where it's the font, the sizing. You get the different options. You see the different pages and tabs that are involved in this one presentation. So if we press play, you see the different motions, different things going on in the background there. You also get to see how you can export them, whether you're uploading it directly to YouTube or downloading it as a PowerPoint, an image, things of that nature, or how to share it. And then, of course, I'm going to go back home. And let's say if I wanted to do something similar to this, you see just in this preview alone, the different ways that this is animated. It's showing you different motions and videos. So all in all, Powtoon is really simple to use and it's great for presentations. And hopefully I helped just kind of show you in a quick sense how to work the app.